Hey guys, just a really short video to show you how to use Keyword Finder. I use the bigger version of this tool called Mangles for SEO, but for you guys, you can just go to kwfinder.com and run some stuff through here to give you an idea about the competitiveness of the keyword you're looking for. So going on the previous example, we'll use personal trainer Tauranga, and what we're going to do is search just New Zealand. So type in New Zealand, there we go, and find keywords. That will give us just a basic overview of how competitive this will be. Because if it's a super competitive key phrase, we might want to reconsider whether that's our bullseye phrase or not, how much time and effort we're prepared to put into winning for that. So this is telling us that there's a bit more detail here about relating this back to Google Ads, for example, but the search volume, and tells us that actually personal trainer Tauranga is probably not that hard to win. Okay, so that's a worthwhile tool to use. Gives you a little heads up about the bullseye phrase research you've done, whether that's worthwhile in terms of can I win this on Google, because you don't want to pick a phrase that's super competitive. There might be easier opportunities for some quick wins. Okay, thanks. Hope that helps.